You're 17. Your father owns 4 acres outside Capua. The recruiter measures your height with a wooden rod. 5'8". You pass. He doesn't tell you the average legionary dies before 35. He tells you about the land grant. Tiro. Recruit. Year 1. You march 20 miles a day, carrying 60 pounds of gear. Helmet, mail, sword, 2 javelins, shield, 3 days of grain, a stake for the night camp, a cooking pot, a saw. They call the pack the mule. After 3 weeks, your shoulders bleed through the wool. The training ground is south of Rome. You spar with wooden swords twice the weight of real ones. Your instructor breaks a recruit's nose on the first day to show what a shield boss does. The recruit doesn't get up. They drag him off the field and nobody says his name again. By month 6, you can build a fortified marching camp in under 3 hours. Ditch, rampart, palisade, gate. Every night, forever. Miles Gregarius. Year 3. Germania. Your first battle isn't a battle. It's a village. You stand in the second line. The first line goes in, then steps back through your row to rest. Then it's your turn. The man in front of you is unarmed. You stab him in the stomach through the gap above the shield. He grabs the blade. You twist and pull. His fingers come off with it. That night you eat the bread he was carrying. You don't think about it until you're 40. Immunes. Year 5. You can read. Most legionaries can't. They make you a clerk. Pay records, supply manifests, casualty lists. You're exempt from ditch digging. The other men hate you for it. They stop saving you a place at the fire. You earn 225 denarii a year. The army deducts food, equipment, burial fund, and bribes to your centurion. You take home 60. Decanus. Year 8. You command a contubernium. 8 men. You sleep in the same tent. You eat from the same pot. You are responsible for their behavior, their discipline, and their corpses. 2 of them desert in Pannonia. You're ordered to hunt them down. You find one. You bring back his head in a sack because the centurion wants proof. The other one you never find. You don't try very hard. Optio. Year 12. Second in command of 80 men. You carry a 6-foot staff. You use it to beat soldiers who break formation. You break 3 staves in your first year. You take a spear through the thigh outside Carthage. The army surgeon pours honey into the wound and stitches it with horsehair. You walk with a limp for the rest of your life. The army calls it serviceable. Centurion. Year 16. You command a sentry. You wear a transverse crest so your men can see you in the line. The crest also tells enemy archers exactly where to aim. The casualty rate for centurions is 4 times the rate for soldiers. You lead from the front because that's the job. You take a sword to the face at Mons Graupius. You lose an eye and 3 teeth. The legion votes you a filera, a silver disc you wear on your chest forever. The men start calling you the old man. You are 33. Primus Pilus. Year 22. Senior centurion of the legion. You sit on the war council. You earn 13,500 denarii a year. You have a slave. You have a woman in a town near the fortress who is not technically your wife because legionaries are not allowed to marry. Your 3 sons are not technically yours. The legate listens when you speak. The tribunes don't, but they're young and rich, and they'll be dead or in the Senate inside 2 years. Year 25. Discharge. You survive. Most don't. The emperor grants you 12,000 sesterces and a plot of land in Hispania. Not Italy. The land in Italy ran out 100 years ago. You don't speak the local language. The land is rocky. The previous owner was killed to make room for you. You marry your woman officially. Your sons become citizens. You build a small house with a tile roof. You die at 51 of a fever that wouldn't have killed a younger man. Your name is carved on a stone outside the village. By the year 400, the stone is used as a step for a chapel. By 800, the chapel is gone. By 1200, the village is gone. The empire that promised you everything outlives you by 400 years and then dies too. Somewhere outside Capua, right now, a 17-year-old is standing in front of a recruiter with a wooden measuring rod. He passes. He doesn't ask what happens next. He never does.